As a professor of English language, my pen is a treasured tool, one that I have used for many years to mark students' papers, write my daily journals, and provide feedback to my students' work. The pen is not just a writing instrument, but a companion that has been with me through countless essays, stories, and academic pursuits. It is a pen that is unique to me, with its own quirks and idiosyncrasies that I have grown to love. The pen is a sleek and sophisticated writing tool with a slender body that fits comfortably in my hand. The barrel is made of smooth and lustrous metal, which gives it a polished and professional appearance, providing a firm hold and ensuring that my fingers do not slip while writing. The pen has been an integral part of my life, as I have used it to mark countless papers and journals over the years. It has helped me to communicate my thoughts and ideas in a clear and concise manner, as well as to provide feedback that is both constructive and informative. When I write with this pen, I feel a sense of confidence and authority. I have used this pen to highlight and underline important points in my students' papers, to circle misspelled words and grammatical errors, and to write comments that are thoughtful and insightful. With each stroke of this pen, I have sought to encourage my students to grow and develop as writers, to refine their skills and hone their craft. This pen has been a vital tool in my mission to cultivate the next generation of writers and thinkers. In addition to its practical uses, this pen is also a thing of beauty, with a stylish and elegant design that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its graceful curves and smooth lines are a testament to its superior craftsmanship, while the intricate details and fine engraving speak to its high-quality materials and attention to details. When I hold this pen, I feel a sense of pride and accomplishment, knowing that it's a reflection of my own dedication and passion for the written words. My pen is more than just a writing tool. It's an extension of myself, to be honest, a reflection of my passion for language and my commitment to my students. With its sophisticated design, reliable performance, and elegant appearance, it has served me well over the years, helping me to achieve my goals and inspire my students to reach their full potential. I'm proud to call this pen my own, and I look forward to continuing to use it in the years to come as I continue to reshape the minds and hearts of those around me in Iraq. Thank you very much.